Manzozo Joselinda Veshisaya Nomisimos Manzozo.
To support these four gentlemen as they lead their teams in Gqom, Maskandi, hip hop, as well as gospel. But of the two matches played, there is an issue. We don't have finalists. I could tell you the story, but they're right here. Manqale ngawo Khuzani. Abantu balindele ukuthi umdlalo uyaqala in 5 minutes on television on SABC1, the biggest platform in South Africa, millions watching. Why are they not seeing a final?
Into eke yabakhona kube nama team okuyi hip hop abadlale ngeplayer ibingasubmitwanga, so iMaskandi wase uyidispute after igame ukuthi ama rules ale tournament athi you are not supposed to play with someone ongekho registered because we submit the list before. So uMaskandi wayewaba ne dispute, therefore hip hop was supposed to be disqualified from this tournament. So the second game iGqom Gospel was disputing indaba yeGqom ukuthi they did not play with a female player, therefore babona ukuthi iGqom must be disqualified. So uDumi Mkokstad want iGqom to be disqualified. Nathi as Maskandi want hip hop to be disqualified. So ke manje into eyenzakalayo ukuthi uMaskandi busuvumile ukuthi ayikulungile iqhubeke hip hop idlala. So uDumi yena akangavuma ukuthi
Cha ngifuna usikhulumele wena.
Okay. So ngichaza ukuthi kufika kanjani lesimo. So uDumi mayingena egroundini, wathi uMaskandi akakwazi uDumi ungena egroundini ekubeni uMaskandi nawo unqatsheliwe ufaka idispute. Shuthi uDumi yena mayivunywa nabo kumele bengene egroundini. So ingakho ke kunenkinga njengamanje.
All right, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Mongeza ngapha nje mina. Tira.
Kube namaphutha enzekile kuma registration ama players, yabo. I-hip hop khona umdlali emregister late yamfaka. Yayiwin igame i-hip hop, but uMaskandi uthi ena ulentuzana must be disqualified. Same thing ngala kwinakhuzana kwiGqom. We had a female player esingayifakanga. Sethi mathi sifuna ukuyifaka i-female player sekufanele ingene kwathiwa ayibhalanga phansi kwi-list, so asikwazi ukuyifaka. So ngalokho banqaba ukuthi siyifake. Sabashaya laba kodwa u2-1 so manje ba ne dispute njengoba bene dispute uMaskandi ne dispute ne hip hop ukuthi kuthi thina even though sibashayile bathi bafuna disqualify. So silapho ke manje ukuthi bona bathi bafuna disqualify kodwa thina sibe siwinile. Nangu uKhuzani uthi bafethu is fine. If kuthi kanjani is fine. Asiqhubeke i-hip hop iyodlala kwi-final. uDumi ngala uyanqaba ukuthi thina siyiGqom siqhubeke sodlala kwi-final for the sake of these fans here. So njengamanje sikwi-deadlock ngoba nathi siyiGqom siwinile. Sithi thina makuthi khona iphutha silenzile sifineni phela. Yabona mina ngazi ukuthi kwenziwa njalo kweSLN. Niyabizwa kube ne-discipline during the week. Hlale phansi kuthiwa okay wena ufeyile kanje. So thina njengamanje sifila ukuthi it's unfair ukuthi thina asibe disqualified thina. Kodwa naye ne-hip hop la ilenzile iphutha nayo kodwa yona izokwazi ukudlala. So kwenzakalani? So kushuthi uDumi mayengavuma ukuthi ama-game aqhubeke, kushuthi ama-game ayami.
Thank you very much, Tira. Big Zulu of the hip hop leader and captain. Zulu, uthini like you said?
Mfowethu ngicabanga ukuthi iphutha elenzakele njengoba uKhuzani eshilo and hayi ukuthi ama player lawo bengekho and naye uTira hayi ukuthi intombazane bengafuni ukuyifaka bengabhalwanga phansi. Enye into ekumele uyazi lento is just having fun, akusiyinto eseyisekutheni mfowethu sekumele senze show ukuthi manje sithola wonke ama player amaningi senza umculo. Lento ku-heavy fun nje kwama-artist uyayibo yonke leyo nto leyo. Umfowethu uDumi kahle kahle uye umuntu omise nje yonke lento leyo, you understand, ukuthi ayiqhubeki engadlali yena, you understand, kodwa ngokomthetho udliwe. And enye into ekumele uyibheke, it's not like uTira bengayifaka intombazane, bethu uyayifaka phani ngenxa yokuthi beyingabhalwanga phansi. Even size kuwe laphayana ucoach uMaskandi bebembhala ukuthi udlala phakathi. So that's why kube nenkinga nje zama list nani, we understand. Kodwa kudlaliwe kwamnandi, la wini igqom ya wini hip hop for abalandeli laba nayo yonke into mfowethu bekumele basiyeke siqhubeke sidlalele, you understand. Akusiyinto, it's not about imali, it's just about having fun. Uwinile umalume, uwinile hip hop, the only thing ekumele yenzeke mfowethu ukuthi abafowethu behlisa umoya bawina last year noma sasinazo ikhalazo kodwa asikaze sifike to the point yokuthi sithi ku disqualify ubani kwenzakalani. Even uMaskandi nako kwakukhona ukukhuluma ukuthi abenzanga lokho, but ngenxa ukuthi we know ukuthi lento heavy fun, bonke labantu bazela ukuzo heavy fun la bezobuka ama artist edlala, we understand. So ibhlungu ukuthi uDumi sengafuna ukuthi kume yonke le tournament iphekwe abantu abangaka ukuthi athi yena ngeke iziyenzeke leyo nto leyo, we understand. And any point engifuna ukuyiraise ukuthi uTira kafakanga intombazane, the reason why engayifakanga is because ibingabhaliwe, not ngoba ebengafuna ukuyifaka. Ufunile ukuyifaka abangavuma ngoba beyingabhalwanga, we understand leyo nto leyo. So ukuthi mangabe intombazane bingabhalwanga akusho phela ukuthi sekumele uTira kuthiwa ukuthi usekumele uTira kuthiwa udliwe ngaleyo nto leyo. Kumele kube ne-fine ukuthi kune-fine engaka uTira azoyithola because asikho professionally siyayidlala umdlalo nje lo mfowethu.
That's Victor Hlongwane there, signaling as to the fact that the game should have kicked off right now. You're not seeing a game simply because there is a dispute that's been raised by the 4 captains of all teams. So you're watching right now, anticipating to see a game. There isn't a game to be seen okwamanje. Dumi?
Ngiyabingelela kubona bonke ababukela emakhaya egameni lika Jesu. uDumi Mkoksadlo. So we are here sisukele eDurban. We come here sizodlala sasusa abafana emakubo to come and play. And now when we got here, because Tina as a gospel, there's nabadlala about 11 aba eligible to play based on ama rules. Kuna ma rules. I-tournament in ama rules achazayo ukuthi kumele kudlalwe kanjani. So one of the rules is the fact that kumele kudlale umuntu wesifazane because we're trying to accommodate abantu besifazane. IGqom, they decided not to follow that rule, one. Number two, uTira says he claims ukuthi uzamele ukufaka intombazane egamini. I-rule ithi intombazane kumele ingene for a minimum of 10 minutes. Minimum, the minimum isincane kumele intombazane idlale for 10 minutes. Bafaka intombazane ngo last 4 minutes. Mind you, they were already leading low game, which puts iGospel at a disadvantage. Secondly, uTira ulethe ama professional players awu 11. None of them irule ithi ama players must be ama artists. Kumele kube ukuthi bayacula banama album. uTira ulethe ama abafana aba 11 abadlala ibhola imawo angikuphazamisanga
So yonke into imile nje
imawo abantu aba 11 or soccer players abengamele badlala uTira bafakile, which puts us at a disadvantage. We scored the first goal, bas cover intombazane idlalanga. They scored the second half, intombazane still idlala. Tina we are at a disadvantage. Ama rules a tournament athi kumele ukudlala intombazane. I-committee yale cup le they ruled for iGospel, but iGospel kumele idlale. We are in a situation manje iGqom abafuna ukuphuma egroundini, and we are also saying we will not leave egroundini because based on the rules we should be playing.
Right, guys, I want to know, Zulu, Tira, come through. Guys, I only want the 4 people involved here. We're live on air, guys. I can't do this and you can't be seen. So that decision must be taken here on the air. Big Zulu, we're live on air, so unfortunately I can't involve everybody else. The gentlemen here need to tell us, we want to show the game. We said we want to support this thing that you're doing. As the SABC and SABC Sport, we put resources and money behind this to show a game in the off-season. Are you guys then telling me, Ogoti, we have to play movie Chan Li? Ngoba nina ni decide ukuthi anizodlala umdlalo akho reasoning enzofika kuyona.
Now we have taken a decision ukuthi ama team wonke adlala ashaya ama penalty, so that is over balance. Only 3 people from the team.
And then what then happens there? 3 teams take penalties. What? So ebedlale nenye ithathe, so because uMaskat
with hip hop. We are going penalties with people hip hop. They say so.
Is this something you guys are all agreeing on?
We're just trying, guys. Dumi udliwe cela usiphumela nang noma
Right, I don't want it to get like this, and with you seeing this. So let's take an ad break. We'll talk when we come back. Take a quick break. Let's take a break.